All right, let's talk about some good news since
Yes,
we're talking about the
please.
weekend, right? The Ohio Department of Health says respiratory virus season is starting to spiral downward.
That is great news for one Monic Robins.
Yes, it
Because
is.
you can hear it in your voice.
I know.
She's been playing hurt for a month, it seems.
I actually asked them about this, and I'm not alone. There's a lot of people.
No, it's going around.
It's viral laryngitis.
What can you tell us about it?
Well, this nonsense that I've been dealing with is viral laryngitis, and a lot of people have it, and for some reason this is lasting longer than normal. And what they told me was that, yes, they're seeing it, but also allergies is causing this as well.
Wow.
So hang in there, folks. Yeah, I'm on week 4 of this nonsense.
goodness.
All right, the good news though, cases of COVID-19 and RSV dropped significantly in recent weeks. And while Ohio is no longer listed as very high for flu cases, the CDC says we're still listed as high. So last week, just over 2,700 cases of COVID were reported, which is a 40% drop from 2 weeks ago. Ohio's flu hospitalizations are down 24%, but state health officials are still telling us you gotta be vigilant, especially those over age 65. COVID stays with us year round. That COVID shot you got last fall may not be as effective.
That adults 65 and older should receive an additional updated dose of the COVID vaccine that became available in September, as long as it's been at least 4 months since someone has had their last shot or 3 months since they've had a COVID infection.
And there you have, Governor DeWine got his updated COVID shot recently. Also, the state released a new database that covers pretty much every reportable disease. You can find where measles cases might be or anything else you might be interested in as well. That list of diseases is pretty comprehensive. And speaking of measles, we currently have 5 cases reported in Ohio. The closest case to us is in Richland County. And that's what we need to know. So despite that big outbreak that we're seeing overseas, so far things are pretty good in Ohio. Hopefully they'll stay that way and those cases will move out.
Fingers crossed.